Alright, so I just closed everything and replaced everything because with one hand it was pretty difficult. So that's done. You've seen that place. Smitty built over there, and these thing I just put it back here. These you've seen it, so perfect. These this is actually a tools box, tool like pliers and stuff like that. Here we have bug spray. We said that's done, so you've seen it. So in front, so far right now is only battery, water, extra water. So far right now, this is actually needs to be changed. So this is gonna be on the floor for right now. So for nav, I have the iPad, which is going there, and here I have miscellaneous, but I don't say too loud, but yeah, iPad is going there. This is actually take some notes. I have one regular one and one waterproof one. Charger for phone and tablet. Underneath over there I have the OBD for I need to replace that. I need to put it somewhere else, but this is actually if I have any codes whatsoever, I'm gonna actually remove it. The other side I have some gloves, I always lighter, and my cell phone is going here. So that's done. This is actually power steering. You never know. It's there. So far I have the space. I'm gonna maybe remove it. So that's done. That side. Tire carrier, if you've never seen it, go have a look. I'm gonna put a link below. So finally, when it's closed, it looks like that. So green on the top, stove over there, it fit very nice, so it's gonna stay as is. So up to now, and it's very snug. This thing, I don't think it's gonna move. And the shower on the side, all right, the shower on the side, or the water supply here. I keep just in case a small bottle for the heater, just in case if it's getting cold, very cold. Normally I'm gonna preheat the truck during morning with that if it's very cold like this weekend. This, you saw it underneath. Not much. You saw my system in the other video. Have a look if you've never seen it. Transmission fluid over there just in case. This is the extension to put some water in. Typically there's still some space over there, so this is the DIY toilet. All right, so it works very nice, and this is actually not, give me a shit. I'm just gonna replace it because like that. Oops. Oh, there we go. Normally, and I got some poo bags into it, so yeah, this thing is double purpose. If I want to, you know, clean up some stuff, this I'm using the Lysol to clean it. This will go underneath. This is actually going there. So right now I have only one case on top and one case inside. Now I'm gonna remove most of the thing so I could actually put it sideways. Here is a tablet. If you've never seen it, it's part of my build. So again, this is water purifying, Sawyer, that thing. This is actually to paint the DIY tire carrier, pillow, and extra oil, a jack, extra oil because Subaru, unfortunately, they take a lot of oil. This is fire extinguisher, cutters, silicone, and also I like to have that to start the fire sometimes when it's actually humid. I have a torch with the propane, the small bottle of propane, and I have a butane to fill up my what do you call it, the lighter. Now that's it. The only thing you've never seen, it's this one. This one So far right now it's the barbecue. Normally the stove was going inside this. Eventually barbecue, I want to keep it because sometimes we're doing barbecue, we can't do any fire, so I want to keep it. I thought I would give it away, but nah. The 5-pound, eventually that's going to be behind my tire carrier. This is an extension for that 5-pound bottle. I have an extra skeleton over there if I want to do some steaks. This is actually all relation to barbecue, so I have the cleaner. This is actually to put it on a table if something happened, and yeah, some pliers for the steak and everything. So I think this I'll keep it this way, but yeah, I'll double check the way it's gonna be, how often I'm gonna use it. So here you have, it's a tour of my Overland Subaru International. I hope you did like it. If you have any comments or any suggestions, let me know, and we'll see for the rest. Thank you again for choosing Overland Subaru International. Guys, I hope you have a good weekend. This weekend we're going to KC Runway Airport, so that's going to be another video I'm going to do. So just to let you know, have a look, because last weekend we were at the Lac Méquinec. It was just a blast over there. It was just amazing. So have a look and have a good day.